Once again, we're here in Fullerton, California. Reason being is because the patio cover has been added with the aluminum and the glass top. It's beautiful and modern. And then they're gonna add some hardscaping later. No work to the fascia of the home. That's why we're gonna start to the back. And show you guys the kitchen upgrade. The wall has been taken out so that it's an open floor plan for the kitchen. Once again, work in progress, guys. The concrete has been cut and the trench has been dug for the plumbing line. Let me show you guys another angle. Boom. And the property owner wants to keep the skylight. Beautiful natural lighting. Once again, Fullerton, California, kitchen remodel and backyard upgrade with hardscaping. Thank you for watching.